Do you have piles of fabric scraps and also tissue paper, receipts from all over the place? Oh my God, if yes, imagine turning those into something beautiful. This week, I'm going to show you how I used everyday items like the receipts I showed you, also tissue paper and the fabric scraps that I have, plenty of them, to create stunning improv quilt blocks. Ready to turn your clutter into creativity? Let's jump right in. Hey, fabulous creators! Already week 4 recap of the 100 Days 100 Scrap Blocks, and I am so excited that last week it was all about improv quilting and using simple materials like receipts, tissue paper, and leftover scraps to bring our creative vision to life. The 7 blocks I'm sharing today, they are all about embracing everyday materials and turning all the leftovers into something that is going to help you get mentally and emotionally fit. I'm also sharing 3 common quilting mistakes to avoid so we can expedite our emotional health and well-being. Let's dive in. Let's start by looking at the blocks I sewed using alternative forms of paper. So I have here the receipts that I mentioned. The sizes are different, so it really helps us through our creative process, so we don't need to figure out the size of the block. We just have to use the paper. And also tissue paper, so easy to tear. Using these alternative forms of paper really made my well-being journey through sewing and quilting so much more adventurous. Look at block 25. I used a grocery receipt as foundation paper. It's such an easy and stress-free way to make an improv block with whatever fabric pieces you have on hand. No need to measure the size, just sew. Look now at block 26. I used tissue paper from a gift wrap. It tore away so easily after sewing. It was a great tool, especially when you're working with delicate fabrics or want to add texture to improv work. For block 28, I used a receipt from a purchase made during a recent trip. It even brought back good memories as I was sewing the block. So I invite you to do the same. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And tell me in the comments, have you already tried using receipts or tissue paper in your improv quilting projects? Block 22 was all about using scraps in unexpected ways to reignite your imagination wherever your creativity is running low. Block 23 was about turning autopilot off and creativity on. Stepping out of your comfort zone can make a huge difference in how you approach your improv projects. Block 24 was about letting go and letting your creativity flow when life feels overwhelming. This can be the best remedy. Here in block 27 represents finding inspiration even in the smallest places. We have to train ourselves to see opportunities for growth in every moment. Before we wrap up, let's talk about 3 common mistakes to avoid when creating improv blocks. Mistake number 1, overthinking block sizes. Don't stress over getting your blocks to fit a specific size, especially when using scraps or paper like receipts. Just let it flow. Mistake number 2, ignoring simple materials. You don't need expensive quilting tools to create something beautiful. Receipts, tissue paper, or even shopping bags can work wonders in improv quilt. Mistake number 3, forgetting to enjoy the process. Improv quilting is about joy, not perfection. Don't rush through it or focus too much on the details. Enjoy each stitch and the relaxation it brings. By keeping these simple tips in mind, you will not only have fun, but also create something truly unique with minimal stress. Improv quilting is all about freedom, so let go and enjoy the ride. Now, I've got a question for you. What's the most unusual material you've used in a creative project? Comment below. I'd love to hear your ideas. There you have it. 7 blocks, a little bit of tissue paper, a little bit of receipts, a little bit of everything to make sure your well-being is in shape. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on quilting, sewing, creativity, and personal growth. I'm Sabrina Norbert, and this is Let's Cut the Scrap. Till next time, happy stitching!